Ernesto invested a total of $10,000 in 2 mutual funds. In the first year, one account earned a 4% profit and the other earned an 11% profit. If Ernesto's total profit was $862, how much did he invest in the mutual fund that earned an 11% profit? I've set up a table that we use to solve these problems. Principal times rate times time equals interest. Let's construct this table. The first account made 4%, the second account made 11%, and the bottom column we'll call the total. Let's fill in the following boxes to generate the information. The principal for the 4% account we're going to call X, and since he invested $10,000, the 11% account will be 10,000 minus X. R represents rate, so the rate of this account is 0.04, and the rate for the 11% account is 0.11. And the time for each of these is 1 year. So to fill in the interest, we multiply straight across. X times 0.04 times 1 is 0.04x. Similarly, in the second column, 0.11 times 10,000 minus x. And finally, down in this bottom third column, the total principal, the total dollar amount that was invested was $10,000. There is no rate for the total. The time is still 1 year, and the interest was given. The interest was given as $862. We now must build an equation from this table. The interest means money made from the 4% account plus the interest from the 11% account must equal the total interest made. So algebraically, we can write this out as 0.04x plus 0.11 times 10,000 minus x equals 862. And now we need to solve for x. 0.04x plus 0.11 times 10,000 minus 0.11x equals 862. Combining like terms, negative 0.07x plus 1100 equals 862. Subtract 1100 from both sides of the equation. Negative 0.07x equals negative 238. And finally, divide both sides by negative 0.07. X equals 3,400. So what we found here is that in the 4% account, Ernesto invested $3,400. To figure out how much he invested in the 11% account, we use the expression 10,000 minus x. So in this case, that would be 10,000 minus $3,400, which is 6,600. So in the 4% account, Ernesto invested $3,400, and in the 11% account, he invested $6,600.